What?
Hey,
You guys want to do semi only? Yeah, semi only. Okay, you guys ready? Alright, you done pay attention. Alright. 5, 4, okay, go! 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 Go!
Yeah.
Okay, we're just saying, alright, I thought we were moving. Dolphin! Gatorade!
Look, he's gonna get them both right now. Triple kill. It's only Emmett.
It's Emerson.
Ah, his name doesn't matter.
Yeah.
What do you call him?
Emmett.
You got it too?
I didn't hear him say go.
Oh, really? I screamed it like 4 times.
Yeah.
Who hit you?
The guy over there, I was just standing.
I got hit with what I think felt like that.
Felt like what?
It was pretty hard from far back there, so it was probably that. We're just gonna switch sides. You guys want to do it, yeah? All right, switch sides.